Hey Crossropers, Crossrope Athlete Chad here, and today I would like to talk about the Ultra Heavy LE set by Crossrope. This set is the 4-pound rope and the 5-pound rope, and it comes also with the Ultra Heavy LE handles. So these handles do have a little bit of weight in them to help counterbalance the weight of these ultra heavy ropes, and they definitely live up to their name. They are ultra heavy. So today in this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips to help you achieve success and utilize these ultra heavy ropes in the right fashion. So let's go ahead and start off with tip number 1, and that one is going to be a warm-up. So if you take a look at this video, we're going to talk about the importance of warming up with this set. Alright, so you've made the decision to use the 4 and the 5-pound rope. The mistake you're going to make is wanting to go straight to those ropes without a proper warm-up. So you're going to see here, I get those ropes and I put them down right away. I do some nice dynamic movements, some arm circles, some arm saws. To really get the blood flowing in the arms, it's going to be a lot of work in the shoulders, the forearms, the wrists. You want to make sure you're nice and warm. And then another smart thing to do is not go straight to that 4 and 5-pound rope, but instead you'll see me use a 2-pound rope here to kind of ease my way up to the 4 and the 5-pound rope, even dropping down now to the 1-pound rope to make sure that I really got some swings under my belt before going to that ultra heavy LE set, throwing out some different weights, and now I even throw in some more of those arm circles, some more movements to ensure that I'm nice and loose and ready to tackle these heavy ropes. Alright, tip number 2 with these, now that we're warmed up, is to use proper form. So we're going to go ahead and go over a little bit of that form to help you achieve success with the ultra heavy LE set. Alright, we're nice and warm, so we're going to pick up the 4-pound rope from the Ultra Heavy LE set. We got the Ultra Heavy LE handles attached to the rope. Again, we want to make sure we're using that power grip. So that thumb is wrapped around the fingers there like you're gripping a dumbbell. You want to know that you have a little bit of a forward and back motion here at the shoulder. So you're utilizing the whole upper arm, the chest, to turn that rope. We do not want to turn with those wrists. We don't want to hurt the wrists and the forearms. We really want to engage the whole upper arm to help spin that rope. So you can see here, really focusing on the upper arm. The biceps are kind of pushing forward. I got those wrists not turning quite as much as you would with a lighter rope. You want to make sure that you're wearing proper footwork. These are some thick ropes and they can definitely hurt a toe. So get that proper footwork and that proper form with the upper arm. Alright, now that we've warmed up, we've gone over some tips with the form. Let's go over tip number 3, and that is going to be short sets of jumping. This is not a set that I recommend jumpers to go for long periods of time. So if you watch this video here, let's go over short sets. Okay, we got our 5-pound rope in hand. You're going to see right out of the gate here, I'm only throwing in around 10 jumps. And on a normal workout with these, 10 jumps is plenty. Throw in some nice jump squats into a workout. So you're pairing these with short sets of jumping, moving back to the rope, and then some excellent body weight movements. So perfect for a strength training workout or a workout where you're doing as many rounds as possible, also known as an AMRAP. Mixing in some push-ups. So keeping those short jumping sets. We don't want to get ourselves to an injury point. These ropes will pack a punch in short sets of jumping. Alright, tips 1 through 3, we have warmed up, proper form, we're using these in short sets, and now that last tip is all about keeping it simple. So if we go over to this video, let's talk about how simple to keep these ropes and what not to do. Alright, tip number 4, keeping it simple. You'll see me throwing out some air movements here that I would normally do with like a 1/4-pound rope, maybe the 1/2-pound rope. Not to be done here with the 4 and 5-pound rope. I would really stick to a basic jump, maybe a boxer step. These are some thick cabled ropes in the Ultra Heavy LE set. The cable can take those legs out from under you with one costly mistake. So keeping it simple, using that weighted rope benefit to really engage that whole upper body, and we really hope you enjoy the Ultra Heavy LE set. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and happy jumping.